Oh, okay. Good morning, everybody. So this is your host, Yanade Guru from Price Action Traders. I've been here since 10 o'clock yesterday night. Tried to fix the audio setting of the videos. I did several videos, but it was not working through. I tried all sort of what has been 14 on the audio setting. Every time I do the video, no audio, how to like what's happening. Until finally I got through it. Glory to God, be to God. I got through it and then, have to rush. This is 1:28 a.m., 28 minutes after 1 a.m. I'm still here, my eyes are red. I have to meet up because I have promised you that I will drop these videos tonight. I promise you that. So I promise you this is me. Yeah. So okay. So now I cannot minimize. So let me share my. So first of all, let me first appreciate the subscribers on the YouTube channel. But it's been long I posted videos here. It's been long. Yeah. Because of certain reasons, try to I try not to post some information again because of I want to keep it somehow discreet and listen to the IPs alone or but there are huge sacrifice and a lot of let me see, the last time I posted here was 8 months ago. 8 months ago, yeah. It was the last video I posted. So I've not posted, I don't think I've not posted this year. Yeah, not posted this year. So we are getting to almost about, this is 8,420, 8,420. So from the 500 subscriber on January 2023, no, January 2024. Yeah. So thank God, glory be to God. I really appreciate it. So I have to do this. I have to drop this information to appreciate your presence, your attention, faithfulness and rest. So though I've been away for a while, it really takes me a lot of work, deep work to come up with this information I'm sharing with you. Then in the next couple of months, we'll be here. I'm going to share a new set of price action beyond the Malaysian SNR. Yeah, the real SNR, the real SNR. Yeah, what a simplified version of it. My purpose is simplicity, to make it everything simple as ABC. So let's go back to the real stuff. So I promise to share two information here according to my on the general platform, Telegram platform. I promise to share two information, which is the storyline and key scenario level to watch out for. When you're doing your storyline, there are key levels you need to mark out. In your storyline. So in my new course, we have two sets of that's engulfed SNR. That's my new concept, SNR concept, redefined from the old version of that particular package I published in October 2023 as the trading SNR the Malaysian way. Yeah. So this is the renewed version of it, modified, simplified for a better performance or better use of you guys. So we're going to go into the DC first. The information is shared into two parts of the engulf SNR. The type of trend line I'm using with it, the confluence trend line I'm using with it, unique trend lines I'm having with it. So now let's come to the first part of the information. First part of the information. Help me. My eyes are red. Yeah, it's not easy. So now we talk about key SNR level, significant to watch out for in your storyline. Yeah, key level. Let's first deal with this one, and then probably I'm going to do two sets of videos. So the last one will be the storyline, how price move from monthly, weekly, daily, what happens in how they are interrelated actions. So let's go with this key lesson. When we talk about significant area, we're going to discuss on MTF SNR. We talk about that's what we call HSL and CSL. Yeah. Now, when we talk about a significant level means a level that draws attention, that a level that makes that make a potential turning point, a kind of potential result. That's when price hits that particular level and you enter with the market maker that can make that trading from that level go hit your target point or make enough potential profit with them. Yeah, because they are the one trading from that particular area. If a level has been touched several times in the past, which is what we mean by HSL, historical SNR level. That means when it comes to the present time, and then price is coming to that level, that means that level is going to be attended to. Yeah, you see, price going to react at that particular level. Yeah, so this is it in information. This is it. Let me bring up my. This is it. Where is this? Sorry. Okay, but this is it. This is a first information sharing with you. But appreciate you guys for staying. Sorry, not that. Where is this? Don't know if you have seen this. Supposed to be showing. I'm supposed to be sharing it. Okay, yeah, you see it now. Yeah. So this is what we call me by the key significant SNR levels. You understand? If this is a price at resistance area, we have this as a resistance area. So let me go to the yeah. So if this is we have this as a monthly or weekly resistance SNR in the past. Yeah. So if this price is coming from the bottom, that's this in there, it goes back onto it here. Resistance, probably price breaks through it, and pulls back into it again. Making 2 times hit, price pull back into reacted to it, became a support, right? Then from there, price move higher. Then probably price come in again, price was coming in again, it broke through it, it managed to break through it, it becomes a new resistance level of resistance, right? A new level of resistance. Then price comes down a bit, probably pull back into it. Second, that is in a 4 point. Then by the time price break through to it again, you attack this, push back into it, moves higher. By the time price is coming down, that place is becoming more of attention to the public. It's becoming more of attention. So we call this place, this particular area of touch. This particular area 1, 2, particular area of touch. Two, three, the third port, the action here. Then 4, 5, the fifth area. So what we call area of significance in the past, significant level of support and resistance in the past, which we call the HSL, the HSL, the HSL, HSL, the HSL. So what is HSL now? HSL is simply the past SNR level before current market price. Is before you you check, you look to your left. That place must have been hit, must have been, must have been reacted to in the past. That level you come, the price is reacting at. So if this is a level of, level of resistance, you come here, you are having this as a level of resistance from price, right? So when you look to the back, you see that this level has multiple layer of support and resistance in the past. Multiple layer of support and resistance in the past, like this. This is resistance and support in the past. So that place carries anointing. Let me call it like that. The place carries so much grace, Yeah. So in the past. So that's what we call a historical SNR level, HSL. Historical SNR level, HSL. Right? So the level that it comes to presently, that is reacting. This is what we call that is reacting to, is what we call the CSL or ISL. Because CSL or ISL, this is a current SNR level or immediate SNR level. Yeah. So that when price reacts, you check your left, the left side up to it. So that is, you get your distance. So that means that place will sell or buy so much because it carries a grace, it carries a significant level in the past. It has been tested several times in the past. Yeah. So that's what we mean by, so the CSL means the current price rejection after support breakout. That is SBR. Support, becomes resistance becomes support. So now let's go back to our chart. Primary recording. Okay. Go back to our chart. So we see this place draw attention because this level, something is happening to this level that, market makers, volume moves the market. Volume controls the market. Whether you like it. So wherever those guys, the institutions are taking position, there is what we call a footprint. It establishes a footprint in that particular level. So when price is coming back into it, there is so much liquidity in that area. So price is coming back to it. That's why I do not agree with those, mentors or people who are teaching that a level cannot be used when level have been used 3 times in the past. It cannot be used again. No, it can be used thousand times. It can be used as long as that level becomes. It is what happened presently at that when the level when you come to price come to it presently is a fresh level. That's what you need to identify. Yeah, that's what you need to identify. If it's get here, you see that a series of in the past. See where price has been in the past. Like here, for example, see this level. Price has in the past. It has been used in the past, but price comes to it here. Price reacted. The same thing happens here. See this level. See this level. See this level. Price, so much several times in the past, in the price. It draw attractions, and when price break through it, pulls back into it, it goes up. When price rejects it, it goes up. If price break through it, pull back into it, it goes up. Same thing here. Can you see that? Resistance becomes support. So that is what we call by this. Now, another thing you want to find out again is this level here. You want to find out why this level is. Another thing to find out is that there is what we call an MTF SNR, multi-time frame SNR. A multi-time frame SNR means multi-time frame SNR. Hmm? It means that if this is a weekly or monthly resistance, for instance, this is monthly SNR, monthly SNR, right? If you have this as monthly SNR, now the same level, at the same level of this, we have when you switch over to weekly, you have a SNR like 3, or 4, because weekly is inside a monthly. So you have like 2 or 3 SNR at that same level of monthly. It's a combination, an agreement, right? That price, when price comes to this level, we are going to push. It's an agreement. It's an agreement. So you must watch out for that level. Then you go to daily time frame. At the same daily time frame, you have more than 5 SNR at that same level, aligning with weekly and monthly time frames SNR. When you click that black place and get to 4 hours, you get more than 10 or thereabouts. Yeah. So it draws so much attention. It draws so much attention to itself because there's a strong network of multi-time frames, a strong network of a time frame SNRs agreeing together at the same rate to move price, either to move price upward or to move it downward. So that level, when price comes into it, when price comes into it, it will react. Either it goes down so much, or if you break through it, pull back into it, it's going to bounce higher. So those are the levels you need to watch out for. Levels you need to watch out for. Now, I will take it to something now. I want to give you a first hand. Go and work on this. Go and work on this. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Just 15 minutes. Let me show you if a lower time frame will give a good consistent result on gold. Let's use gold first before we go to other, maybe if time permits, we go to other pairs to see the consistency of this thing I'm showing you. I posted this in the past to the platform, boss. People did not pay attention to it. Yeah, it's unique. Unique. When you have this kind of information, it's not noisy. It's not it's unique. It's rare. It's valuable. Yeah, it's valuable. Values is in the rarity of an idea. Yeah, because it takes an idea to be valuable. I mean, a rare idea to be valuable. If it is not rare, it's not valuable. It's common. Everybody's using. Everybody's using it. No, it's not valuable. Yeah, you can't get this so much anyway. So let's go to 15 minutes, 15-minute time frame, and see even if this can happen in a lower time frame every day in a lower time frame every day. Oh my God! See this. See, oh my God! See what is happening right now. This is at 2 o'clock, 1:45. See it? Price is almost 40 pips. And still going higher. It's going to that level of significance. This area. It's going to this area. Yeah. If you break through it, goes up, it comes down. Whatever pattern you see there, if it engulfs that area, you go in that direction of engulfed. So if this is 15 minutes, right? Then today it happens from 1:30. This is 1:30, right? 1:45. Let's choose yesterday. See what happened yesterday. By 2 a.m. Yeah, that period. 2 a.m. using my set this in here on UTC plus one. UTC plus one. By 2 a.m. See what happens here by 2 a.m. This is a significant level. 15-minute time frame. Slower. You can imagine what will happen in a higher time frame of 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. If you have this like this, then it falls on a specific liquidity period, So this comes with a special time window, window, like you have a opening session, right? You have opening session, then watch out for London session, open. Then you watch out for New York. It's a first-hand information I'm giving to you. Then you watch out for London close. Yeah. This happens around by UTC plus one. Let's see by London open. This is 7 or 8 9 a.m. 9 a.m. Then please happen between 13 to 14 hour. New York. The London close happen between 18 and 19. London close. Yeah. So these are the you need to watch out for, right? You need to watch out for in your this key level, key area, level of significance in the market. You see, this is 2 a.m. See what happened here. By 2:15, price move higher into the significant level that has been, touched several times in the past. That has if you look to the left, you see we have our HSL in the past. So this is our what? Our CSL. And you can imagine what will happen. So exactly what is happening right now. This guy is trying to reject this level. So if you watch out by 2 o'clock, you get an engulf here. So it will come down. Possible like that. So we have this in here. So now, if you take this, so like let's say we take it to 3 minutes. I'm just showing you guys first on scalping level. So 3 minutes, probably one. Let's use 3 minutes. Okay. So we identify this an engulf here. An engulf. My VIP, please allow me to do this. I'm very sorry. I have to just appreciate people here, members here, because of this. Now, I can also filter it out. Also filter it out by using my optimal entry. I use Fibonacci. Is when the situation warrant. I use it as long as it works for me. Yeah. So some people may no, it's stop becoming too much. I use whatever that works for me and give me an edge. Yeah, that's what really matters. Yeah, that really matters. So you wait for the next to engulf. It engulfs. What happened? Can you see that pattern at a congestion area? At a congestion area. And price move down. Moves down. Can see that? That's huge. T daybreak. It's more than 300 pips. It's more than 300 pips. Till daybreak. If you turn it to 15 minutes, it's more than 300 pips. Price moves. See actions. See action. 258 pips. It's targeting has come to, this is 8:30. 8:30. This is London open. And if you watch London open also, you also have that it is on a significant level. Can you see that? Significant level. See it? Significant level. Touch it. The price broke through it, pull back into it, it's going to go down. Can see it? See the price? Telling you, same level. Price broke through it, pull back into it, goes up. From that 2 a.m., it defines the trend. See, it's 350 pips. Can you imagine on Thursday, which was yesterday. Then let's go to Wednesday. This is Wednesday, 2 a.m. This is 2. Can you see this? It's coming from a broken resistance. Can you see that? Oh God. What's up? It's coming from a broken resistance. Please don't treat an SNR as a line, but as a zone. Yeah, there's a reason for that. Maybe later we can talk about that. So that you can see that, it goes up. At 2, it goes up because it has what we have a HSR in the past. See it? 1, 2, 3. Pull back into it, then it goes up. Because there was this is a particular zone here. It's a particular zone here that falls upon a historical level of support and resistance. And this is 2 o'clock. See 2 o'clock here at this same level of significance. Congestion area. And you see it? And price does what? See it, move there, reject it, engulfs, and it comes down. This is so huge. It comes down. This is 147. Minimum on gold, at least. Target a minimum of 50 pips on gold if you are scalping it. You can imagine from here upward on Wednesday, you got the 367 pips on Wednesday. Then on Thursday, you get 350 pips on Thursday. Here you get 147 pips on Monday. This was Tuesday. Oh, I didn't do Tuesday. This was Tuesday. Tuesday. Can you see this? See this? Oh my God. So let's just do other 2 weeks before time. I don't want to. I don't want to let this video to be long like that. See it? Right at the same like congestion area. See it? They break. Moves down, goes up, broke through, engulfs it, pull back into it at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, and it moves up higher. From there till you come here. This is 222 pips. Just identify an engulf that price will pull to. That's what. It's either a failed engulf or a regular engulf, normal engulf. That you see how I did this here. I've shown you here how I did. I identified my engulf here under this 3 minutes or thereabout, and price pull to it. Goes up. Then coming to this is 7:15, 7:30. This is close to London. We have a reaction here. It goes up. And by this is by 13:30. This is New York. 13:30 New York. You have a congestion area here in New York. So that is how price reacted to that level. This is on Friday. On Friday, where is 2 o'clock Friday? Yeah, this is 2 o'clock on Friday. You can see this level on Friday. See, coming from a historical level of this thing. Yeah, SNR on Friday. This is 2 o'clock. Can you see rejection? A congestion in the past. After the break of this, the breakout of this support level, SBR, several parts. This is US or New York open. It comes down. Then at London 18, at London, it comes down. We can see moves. You can see move 121. Good here. Just cap 15 minutes. You can imagine what will happen when you take it on a higher time frame. It's just for scalping purpose. Minimum of 50 pips on good. It also works out on other pairs. I'm working on other pairs, pounds that are stable, pounds, euro, USD Japanese yen. But because gold is volatile, you can easily get enough. Yeah, but you just have to be very, very smart in trading gold because it falls on Asian. The entry falls on Asian because it's 2 o'clock. It falls on Asian. It's gold consistent. When a pattern reoccur in the future, that means that pattern is highly profitable. Take note of that. Take note of it. It repeats because there is a human psychology affecting that level. Something is happening to that level. If it happens in the same thing, people will react. Yeah, it's an established fact. Yeah. You don't just have to fight it, you just have to believe to walk around it. So that is just the thing. And this is 2 o'clock. Can you see this? Oh my God. 2 o'clock. That same level. Price broke through it. This is what I call HSZ trend line. See it? If you get the knowledge of HSZ trend line, you can eat from that place. This is it. Forms a neckline, then break through it, then pull back into it. So your sell area will be here. This is the HSL. That's for another. God give me grace to give to do that. I posted it on my Telegram. You see, so price tap into at 2 o'clock. You can imagine the big drop from that midnight hour. From that midnight hour, it's so huge. so consistent. I'm not saying 100% perfect, but at least if you can get, there's no holy grail in the market, no holy grail. But at least if you can get 75% winning rate of a system, you are the best. That's the best system so far. So we have, this is 2 o'clock. You can see 2 o'clock here. See the breakout there. The breakout of this resistance, pull back into it, then it goes up. This is 140 pips. That's why it is good on gold. See it here. See this level. Oh my God. See this level. See this level of congestion. See it. This level of congestion. See this level of congestion. Broke, pull it back into it. This is 2 o'clock. So I can apply my fib tool to it. See it? And then it goes up. So if that permits later, I can do entry. But the detail will be for the VIP, the details. Yeah, that's 315 pips every day, every day, every day. 2 o'clock. Can you see that? This is resistance broken through it. So powerful. You can see the huge, big move. And then because we have here, this is at 9 o'clock. Then it's coming from this historical level. Pull back, pull back, pull back, pull back, then it goes up. Then this is New York. Coming from this historical level, pull back, pull back, pull back. See the support. Start taking out of resistance, pull back into it. Just identify your HSL to the left. That's all. You can imagine the huge rally there. Almost about 513 pips, sharp. Oh my God. That's huge. This is a 12, this is 13. 13. You can see it at level of significance. Where is 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock is here. 2 o'clock is here. 45. You can see it here. Just fight like this. At 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Then it moves, then it goes up and it comes down into this. Then we have this is 2 o'clock, 2:15. This one started from 130. It broke the support. Sorry, broke through this here, and then at 145. 145 comes down. Can you imagine the little drop there? It's more than 50 pips. That's 129 pips. 129 pips. Then we have this is 2 o'clock, 2:15. See this? See the this in here. If you go back. There was what broke. This is 145. 2 o'clock candle, move back, go back into another broken stuff. This is a neck HSL SNR trailer. Yeah, HSL trailer. This is one. This one happens. See big move there at 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. That means in the past, something must have. Yeah, see it, the past. Move, move. And coming to this is New York session, right? Pull back into it, then goes up. Let me take if I can get this in here. No, doesn't get to it. So it goes up because it's coming from, you see this congestion area. Just look to your left, identify a congestion. Like we see the HSL. So that's how we get used to that. 230 CDs, broke through the support, pull back into it at 2, between 215 to 230, right? So that is how, then coming to 13, or this is 12, 30, okay. So does not really move, doesn't move much. This is happening at 1 o'clock. Then after 1 o'clock, what happens? 130, price broke through it. So resistance here, and you have level of, so that's a breakout, pull back into it, 2 o'clock, it goes up. It's above 185 pips, sharp, sharp. Here is another one, here. 2 o'clock, level of significance. This is London. This is New York. New York. New York. Can see it? The same reacted here. Here at a London open here. Reacted to this level. New York, it moves here. This is 8 o'clock. London open, it reacted to this level of significance. This is that trend line, HSL trend line. That's 45, 45, 45, this level. This level. See? Then it goes up. This is 19 hour. See 19. This is London close. Just trace this into it, back to it, and then you get your stuff made out. This is for 2 p.m. This is 2:15. Price move to it. See the big drop at 2 o'clock. Then move back into it. It comes down. So what I will do, I just do this. I can just put my this at the breakout candle, and get my optimal level that I enter to sell. So that's what you get on 15, 45, 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock, this level. Then pull to it at 6:45, then come back to New York, moves up. So that's what you get. So guys, please, I'm sorry, I will have to also stop this so I can. Yeah. So we talk about, sorry, like the other video, by God's grace, let me sleep. I will do that probably in the morning.